There's a special package that was delivered to the Davis household by FlexiSpot. If you are interested in seeing what we have today, just keep on watching. Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. As you can see, I have my helper here that will help me assemble this beauty. And it is the XL6 Classic Power Lift Recliner with massage and heat. Now, if you need a little help getting up out of a chair or want to sit down comfortably, this recliner is for you. This recliner is so easy to assemble and requires no tools. This is how the recliner comes packaged. It comes in 2 boxes. Very easy to follow instructions and only takes minutes to assemble. You have your choice of cover material from breathable leather, which that's what you see here, in brown or black. You have performed chenille, normal chenille, or even normal fabric in various colors. This is the bottom half of the recliner. The armrest will slide in to these brackets on each side of the recliner. And the second box is the back of the recliner. Let me share a little information about FlexiSpot. FlexiSpot is leading the kinetic furniture movement across the world. With advanced design and technology, FlexiSpot make furniture that's as seamless, sturdy, and eco-conscious as it is homey and comfortable. They carry a wide range of furniture from standing desks, walking pads, sofas and recliners, chairs, beds, pergolas, and more. Their products are made of 100% recyclable materials, and it is designed to last with warranties up to 10 years. Now, you saw earlier that my hubby connected the white and the red cable on the back rest to the corresponding cables on the base, making sure the colors match: white with white, red with red. For the remotes, plugging the power cords into the adapter and then plugging into a power outlet. This is the massage remote control. Very easy to operate. Power on and off button. You have a back massage control, leg, thigh, lumbar control. It has 3 massage modes. It has heating function on and off, even a timer, heating adjustment, as well as the massage intensity. The lift and recline remote control, it has a USB port. You press and hold the different functions, whether you want to be lifted or lowered. Now at first my hubby put the arm rest on and it didn't look right to me. So he ended up switching it around and it's perfect now. Everything locks in place and I love it. Again, no tools required to assemble this recliner. And it even comes with a lumbar matching pillow for your back. Love it. This Flexispot recliner also has a adjustable headrest. And the recliner is ready for use. The recliner offers ample leg support, catering to different heights and ensuring an immersive and comfortable experience. You can also lay flat. It is designed to offer you the perfect space for a rejuvenating nap. It also has the added convenience of side pockets on each side of the recliner. Go from sitting to standing gracefully, providing an assistive feature with the lift position. Now you know I had to give it a try as well. Plus, get a massage in the process. The massage feature felt so good. I absolutely love this recliner by FlexiSpot. This recliner will be making its way to my father-in-law and my mother-in-law's home, which is much needed for them in their everyday life around the home. This recliner is so stylish. It will fit perfectly in their home and give them a spa-like experience without leaving their space. I absolutely love this chair. It is firm, but yet it is comfortable. And the heating and massage features, that's a bonus. Now, they asked for my honest feedback or opinion on this recliner, on areas where the product can be improved. And my only downer is the cords to the remote can be a tad bit longer. That is it. Other than that, it's perfect to me. Now, the plus to this is that this recliner is very, very affordable. At this price point, I don't think it can be beat. So information about this Flexispot XL6 Classic Recliner will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. Head on over to FlexiSpot, take a look at this recliner, as well as the other products they have to offer. Special thanks to FlexiSpot for the opportunity to share this amazing product with you. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click the bell so you will be notified of all uploads on Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.